To log in, you will need the name or IP address of your server and click Read Data. Additional SQL options are also available to connect. The first module is the reporting feature of the application. Reports related to licensing, attendant profiles, stations, workgroups, extensions, and much more. Let's cover a few. 4 reports are available for licensing. License summary. This report provides with the total amount of licenses allocated in the system and how many are active. Licenses by users. This report provides the list of stations and users with their license allocation and information designed to help you customize a pivot chart to better manage your licenses. Licenses by type. This report shows, grouped by license type, the users and stations that have this license allocated. And finally, a media usage report. The attendant reports provides profile information and login information for interaction attendant. The station reports shows the list of every phones configured in the system with their MAC addresses, and also a full inventory of all the managed station with their name, extension, manufacturer, model, and if they are active or not. The workgroup membership reports provide 2 spreadsheets. The workgroup spreadsheets, which shows their queue type, their extension, the list of supervisors, and the list of users. The user spreadsheet, which shows the display name of the user, their assigned workgroups. The extensions reports shows extensions for attendant profiles, workgroups, users, station groups, DID, and workstations. If SQL option is enabled at the login, call volume will be provided for DID and attendant profile DNS. The following reports are also available within RegReporter: station group membership, workgroup usage, user skills, migrated parameters, role extraction, and dialer filter report. The second module is the tools feature of the application. Tools related to interaction attendant, DNS, skills, plus a compare tool. The Attendant Tools has 6 very useful features. An attendant drawing tool, which basically converts into a web page the content of a profile. Just select a profile and click the draw button. You will now have a complete visual of the profile. This tool allows you to view each attendant steps configured. Each of these steps are clearly identified with color codes. Audio segments can also be played directly from the results page.
Please enter the extension number for the party you would like to call. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. If you know your party's extension, press 1. To dial by name, press 2. For an operator, press 0.
The Interaction Attendant DNS search tool allows you to enter a number and, being prompted, the first attendant profile where an incoming call would be sent based on the DNS match. This tool supports a match of numbers and wildcard characters. The Attendant Search tool allows you to search for some specific information in the inbound attendant configuration. By selecting combinations of values in the control, you can be shown what you're looking for, and the Export button allows for a text file export of the search result. The Logging tool interface allows to control the behavior of 2 fields that are by default in every tool steps in inbound interaction attendant. Enable IVR reporting, which add an entry to the IVR logs when an interaction goes through the step. Add entry in the interaction log, which had an entry in the interaction logs when the interaction goes through the step. There's no need to publish the attendant after using this tool. Make sure to consult the help file before using this tool. The Launcher tool allows you to start the inbound, outbound, email, or the operator configuration of Interaction Attendant. The Unlock tool allows you to unlock Interaction Attendant from a user. The Locked By field will tell you who that user is. The Skill Search tool provides the capability of search skill based on username, skills, and inheritance. The report will show the username, skill, proficiency, desire to use, and the inheritance. The Compare tool allows to compare configuration elements. All the configuration from both elements will be displayed in a separate column. The elements available to be compared are roles, schedules, users, workgroups, lines, locations, and workstations. The following tools are also available within RegReporter: Source Consolidation, Exception Generator, Twilio SMS Tools, IP Table, Custom Attribute Search, and a SOAP tool. In addition to all the tools I just described, you can also load config, save configuration, export data, compare the data. You can also switch to another language without having to restart the application. To learn more about this product or our services, feel free to reach us at info@quovimc3.com.